Hi, to turn on and off flashlight notifications for alerts on iPhone 16e, as a first step, go in your phone settings. Now, in the list, you should find this section Accessibility, and by clicking it, you need to find Audio and Visual section in this hearing category. And right now, what you're gonna do is you need to scroll all the way down and select LED flash for alerts. So if you want to get flashlight notifications, then you need to toggle on the switch by tapping it so it will light up green. Additionally, you can enable flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. So you can control LED flash for alerts when the green switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked. You will see it something like that. So when you'll receive new notification, you'll see like this flash. And to disable it, just toggle off the switch like that. And don't forget to toggle off those switchers as well. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.